Hey guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori, and we are going to do a little plan with me. This is my 2026 planner that I designed, and we're going to set up January. I wanted to show you all how I use my planner, which may be slightly different than how other people use their planner. So I wanted to do a little walkthrough with you. I'm looking for stickers over here. These are my, I'll use this here, sticker pack. This is my this year's sticker pack as well. All of this is available in my Etsy store, but I wanted to show you. So what we have is my 2026 planner. I do have a walkthrough video out there, so I won't do that, but what we will do is open it up. This is a maker's planner, so it's all about creativity. So we start in January because that's what I'm setting up. I have some washi tape. I love it when it's decorated. I have some stickers. And then I have my sticker pack. So we'll use a little bit of everything. And a ruler because I need that. And, scissors. So we have our scissors. All right, first things first, I love this washi. And I feel like it's a great winter. Christmas is over, right? So we are going to put it right here. And I just eyeball it. I'm not the girl that's measuring everything. And this is paper tape, so it literally just pops off like that. Oh, and Alex came for a visit. Hi, Alex. You're always visiting. Okay, hop down. Get down. Okay, so I love that. I'm not even sure if you can see it because we have a shadow. Get on. It says hope, dream, believe, imagine, and it just fits my planner so well. And I'm going to put another little piece possibly over here because 2026, guys, we are doing it. And excuse my stuffiness, I have a bit of a cold. But I want dream, imagine, and believe to be right here. And that's what's so fun about washi. Oh, you can't see me. Get down. You can get whatever you want. I guess we can hope too. Let's hope too. All right, let me get him down. Thank you. Yes, I know, buddy. Okay. So I like that. And then I want to do a little bit of navy over here. If you have a credit card or a gift card, it's easier to rip the washi with. I couldn't find mine. And I'm going to call that, I didn't spend too much time looking for it. All right. So I think that is good. For the washi, we'll see, but I have other things I want to add. And then I use this for my whole life, crafting and everything. We're going to set this up. So my sticker packs come with, and these are cross stitching, but new year, new adventure for sure. So we're going to put this over here on the 1st because that's a holiday for me. So I'll put that. New year, new adventure. You could also use like year of whips. And this year, I'm going to get all of my stuff that I've started done. I've also included YouTube and Instagram because I do that. And then just different sticker packs. But I have that there. I found this sticker and thought it was appropriate. Caffeine and confidence. So I'll put this. Yeah, you can see that. I will put this down here on a day that there isn't anything. And then I thought some pretty snowflakes would be fun. And I just kind of scatter those about. Because it's winter, right? That's what we do in the winter time. Sorry, that's my washing machine. I'm doing laundry. Gosh, we gotta multitask out here. These are, I guess, technically Christmas stickers, but I'm using them as winter. All right. So I like that setup. And then I got these color-coded, which I love. And they have all kinds of pages, right? Like I can use one of those over here to make a list. And they match. And that's what's important. And then I have a bunch of Post-it notes in my other planner of things I need to transfer to this year. So these are just like color-coded stickers. But they were all in the blue and copper, which I really like. And these are washi as well. So if I wanted to take, I'm looking here. Let's go with a piece of copper. Well, I'm using gold. I don't think this one has gold. It does not. We'll use this. So this is actually for the happy planners. So I'm not sure if these will fit in my boxes, but I think so. Yeah. So you can just put them in there to decorate your box. You can do whatever you want. Right? And then these are long washies. I don't need that. So I think that's everything that's going to go on this page. And then I'll start filling it in. And then on this page over here, right, I have Sal's challenges and finishes, but maybe that's not what I'm doing this month. Maybe I'm doing something a little different than, let me just pull this page out. Then Sal's, I'm not going to do Sal's this month. I want to change this label. So I'll stick that over there, and then I'm going to write in what I'm going to do this month. And I'm going to put it here for whatever I want to finish. Same thing on this page over here. I can do my to-do lists over here. So this planner, it does have, it is laid out for crafting, but I use it for my regular life. So we're going to say here, this is a sticker that says, do all the things, right? Because I'm going to make myself a list of things I need to get done in January. And I have a bunch of letters too, but I don't typically use those. But where is that page? There. Now I get to use my copper. And I'm going to stick it right here. And this is where I'm going to do that to-do list for what I want to get done in January. Cool, huh? All right. So I think that is everything. I can put some of these over here as well. Goals. One day, I mean, I love these stickers. It's just a reminder. List maker's gonna list. I mean, that is true. I'm very busy. I love these stickers. And I love my own stickers as well. Because I made them for me. I will tell you, the first thing that's going to happen on January the 1st weekend, I already know, is I'm going out for coffee with a friend. So I'm going to put that coffee in here because that's going to remind me, and then I'll write a little note in there of what I'm doing. And then I will do this for every month for the year. And then in here is where I'm going to list all of my projects as I'm working on them, as they're getting done. And maybe I'm not doing patterns, but I can relabel these if I would like. This is for a bingo game. I think that's December. Yep. And then I need to get in here anything I have coming up for next year. Notes and all of that. But I have a retreat. And it's time to wander, create, and connect. And I have a retreat next May, which I will just stick one of these stickers in here because I think this is cute. And it's my sticker. And then I'll fill all this out for my next retreat. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed and you got a little glimpse into how I use this planner. For January, I'm going to go in and fill in all the stuff, the events I've signed up for, also for my part-time job, and any crafting that I want to do goes in here. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.